Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. Here we have x squared divided by 64 is equals to 64 divided by x squared, and we solve this problem for all the values of x, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. And now here first we need to cross multiply the terms, and we multiply this x square with this 6x square, and we multiply 64 with this 64. So it will be written as x square multiplied by x square is equals to 64 multiplied by 64. And now here in the left hand side you see that bases of these two terms are same, so we add its exponents, and when we add its exponents we get 2 plus 2 becomes here 4, so we get here x to the power of 4 is equals to, here we have 64 times of 64 becomes 64 whole square. And further in the next step we have this is x to the power of 4 is equals to, this is 64 and we write it as 8 square and its whole square. And further in the next step we move the term as 8 square and its whole square to the left hand side. But we rewrite this as, this is exponent to the exponent, and we know about that when we have exponent to the exponent, these are multiplied by each other, and we get here 8 to the power of 4. So now we move 8 to the power of 4 into the left hand side, and we get x to the power of 4 minus 8 to the power of 4, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we rewrite this equation as in this form. We write x to the power of 4 as x square and its whole square, and we write 8 to the power of 4 as 8 square and its whole square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So further in the next step we use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that, if we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. And similarly we use another formula, so we write this is the first formula and we need another second formula. So you know that if we have a square plus b square, then this is equals to a minus b iota times of a plus b iota. So here we need these two formulas here to expand the above equation, so that here we first apply the one formula into the left hand side, and this will be written as x square minus 8 square into x square plus 8 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x square minus 8 square equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 8 square is equals to 0. So here we again use the first formula, number one formula. So according to that, this will be written as x minus 8 times of x plus 8 is equals to 0. And here we use the second formula. So according to the second formula, this will be written as in this form, x plus 8 iota times of x minus 8 iota, and this is equals to 0. So from these two cases we easily get the values of x, or we easily get all the roots of this equation. So first we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 8 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x plus 8 is equals to 0. From here we move minus 8 to the right hand side, and we get x is equals to 8, and from here we move plus 8 to the right hand side, and we get x is equals to minus 8. So here we easily get the value of x is equals to plus minus 8. So these are the first two real roots of the given equation. And now in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this equation. So for here we write both of these two factors on equals to 0, and we get x plus 8 iota is equals to 0, and x minus 8 iota is equals to 0. So from here we get the value of x is equals to minus 8 iota, and from here we get the value of x is equals to 8 iota. So from here we get again two roots of the given equation, and these two roots are complex roots. So here we get our x is equals to plus minus 8 iota. So here finally we get there are four roots of the given equation, in which these two roots are real roots and these two roots are complex roots of the given equation. So now here in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for this we verify all these four roots of the given equation. So for this first we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x squared divided by 64 equals to 64 divided by x squared. This is the given question statement, and here in this side we will be verify x is equals to plus minus 8, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to plus minus 8 iota. So we verify all these four roots of the given equation. So here when we substitute x is equals to plus minus 8 iota into the given question statement, it will be written as in this form. This is plus minus 8 square divided by 64 is equals to 64 divided by plus minus 8 square. So in the same pattern, when we substitute these values here, it will be written as plus minus 8 iota whole square divided by 64 is equals to 64 divided by plus minus 8 iota and its whole square. So here we verify all these four roots, and now here first we need to complete this case. And here you very well know about that when we apply the scale on positive or negative term, it will always gives us the answer is positive form. So we know that the square of plus minus 8 becomes 64 divided by 64 is equals to, this is again 64 divided by plus minus 8 square becomes 64. So this and this term are gone, this and this term are gone, and you easily see here we get 1 is equals to 1. This shows that x is equals to plus minus 8 is satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we verify these roots, and here you again see that the square of plus minus 8 becomes 64 and the square of iota becomes iota square divided by 64 is equals to 64 divided by, here again you see that the square of plus minus 8 becomes 64 and iota square becomes here iota square. So this 64 are gone, and here we get iota square only, and we know about that iota square is equals to minus 1. This 64 and this 64 are also gone, and we get here 1 over iota square, and we know that iota square is equals to minus 1, and 1 over minus 1 is equals to minus 1. This shows that again both of the sides are equal. It means that all four roots of the given equation are satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of the given question is x is equals to plus minus 8 and plus minus 8 iota. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.